It's been a while, but I'm back here at the old factory in Hummelstown, Pennsylvania. Let's go in and see what they got. Oh my gosh, there's so many great plush. Look at this little chick. That is too cute. How much is that? $10. My plush, I've taken like a serious dive recently. But look at this guy. Oh my gosh. That's too good. Gunderful. That's Gun too. $5. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take him. Look at this guy. He's great too. And then this one. Oh my gosh, he's so fantastic. $10. It's like, how can you leave this? It's got like a little stain on his ear, but still. This is contemporary, but it's kind of interesting. I guess it's like a succulent air plant holder thingy. This is contemporary, cool too, but it's very neat. $12 incense holder. There you go. Yeah, all contemporary, so I think I'm gonna leave them behind. What's over here? Look at this album. That is gorgeous. $65. Doesn't have the cabinet cards in it. Yes, it's really fragile though. I'm not gonna mess with that. Little slag glass. And $5. I'll take that for $5. That's a steal. Cat. $9. And it looks like 20% off. That's not bad. Looks like things have moved around here too. This vendor used to be upstairs. And the Kanawha, that's really pretty. $32 though. I had one of those in purple. I thought it was gonna do better than it did. It was kind of a pain in the butt to ship too. What's this? Oh, I know this is new, but I love it. Looks like there's some Bakelite in here at some really decent prices. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that case. Oh my gosh, what is that? That's fantastic too. I need that. While I'm at it, I actually saw something back here. I was gonna not do cases, but now that I'm already opening one, ooh, how much is that? $78. Stuart Abelman. That's gorgeous. It was this flower brooch over here. It's the pair. $6 each, so 12. Some really fun ones, and I was looking at the Huron cat, but it's spendy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get in a couple pieces. And I'm also trying to see what the price of that little elf is. I see that the one in the back there, it's got a little paint loss, but it's a good one. That one's only 12. Can't see what the salt and pepper shakers are. Just waiting for a case. Oh, wait, is this? No, that's something different. Yeah, there's a few things in here I really want to get. That one that's 22 on the end, the carved one, and that's amazing. All right, well, did some damage to the Bakelite case. Got those awesome plastic flowers. Let's go on to the second floor. Well, I have to admit, I've been through almost half the second floor and haven't found a single thing. $4 on the white one. I have a bunch of white ones right now. Taking a pit stop in the jewelry booth. Let's see. This looks contemporary. Yeah. These are fun. Probably made in like India or something. Not a big fan of the wood ones. And then that looks contemporary too, but it's fun and pink. So for $3, I'll take that. And then in here we have bangle bags, but they really look like they're either A for a child or B. Napkin rings in disguise. Here's another green one, $4. Green's a popular color, so I'll take it. Let's see. This is kind of fun. This like woven one. $4. Purple's another popular one. I'm gonna assume it's $4 as well. I feel like they might make a purple bangle $3. Perfect. And I guess I'll take that too. Why not? What's this snail thing hiding back here? A snail plant. That's fun. It's got a little bit of wear on it though. Ooh, I see something interesting. Look at this clock. Oh my gosh. $12. I'm gonna assume this doesn't work, but it's also just like so fun looking. I love it. Is it repaired? No. It's just got like this weird, it's kind of a weird crack. Ritz Crackers hair clip. How fun. I feel like we need that. Wait. Fenton. Ah. I actually have some of those Ritz hair clips. Let's see. Little Fenton. 15. Yeah, pretty close. I think this is one of my favorite vendors, and they just moved their spot. Yes, BMA. Hi, BMA. Let's see. What do they got today? Like the unicorn. $8. What's in this? Thrown off by the fact that everything is moved. It's refreshing. I like it. Your booth looks great. Look at the bowling decanter. How fun is that? And then there's usually something awesome hiding back here too. This is another one of their booths. Little pick holder. $8 Amberina. Daisy and button. Do I want this today? I don't know. I don't think I do. I think I'm gonna pass. I have the little slide glass one downstairs. It's a good deal, but just trying to switch it up a little. Look at this creamer thing. That's fun. Apple teapot. Cute. All right, and now we're off to the 3rd floor. Kind of speeding through this place. What in the world is that strange raccoon thing? $1 glass animal. Well, it's ceramic. I thought it had googly eyes at first. It's just so weird. For $1, I'm gonna go ahead and take that. And what about the little black cat? That's $1 too. I'll take that as well. I see Epic Cat Cookie Jar. $32. Oh, it's bears, but still. Really fun. For $32, it doesn't leave us enough room. It's like, and I swear those things are religiously have hairline cracks. Even the last one I picked up, which I didn't think had a hairline crack, put it in the photo box of truth or whatever Dagny calls it. Sure enough, there it was. Look at this. It's kind of wild. I was kind of zoned out at the coin purses here, and I noticed this little seahorse one. $4.50. Yeah, it's got a little bit of age to it. That's really cute. I'll take that. The bee one's fun, but it's $12 and more contemporary, so I'm gonna leave that. What in the world is this thing? That is absolutely amazing. Wow, I really appreciate that. Well, I spent $128 in there. I got some really cool bracelets and that plastic flower arrangement. Bam! So I'm not sure where I'm gonna go next. I might actually have time to sneak one more in there since that was kind of a quick one. I don't know, but I'll see you guys when I get there. Well, I decided not to stray too far from my route here, so I'm sticking with my original plan, and I'm pretty excited. I've never been here before. This place opened in December. I'm going to Treasures on Main in Hummelstown, Pennsylvania. I do believe I parked at the right spot, so I'm a little turned around since obviously this is new territory to me, but I am excited to go in and see what it's all about. Very cute. I like it. Check out the window. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like it in here. I love that Art Deco rhinestone bracelet. Inflatable bunny. I love these things. Wow, this is so pretty. Oh, I wish it wasn't a basket. Oh my gosh, look at this little cat. Van Briggle kitten. Oh my gosh, that's fantastic. I didn't even know that existed. And that's a really pretty Fenton too. Ooh, cat tin, English, $18. That's about right on. Let's see. I'm not sure which way to go. Look at this funny turtle. I think of Dagny every time I see turtles. Here's a Siamese cat. It's got a little nick on its ear though. I like the look of this little nook. Down here you got the happy face stuff. $9 on the McCoy mug. It's got a little nick on the bottom. Love the happy face clock. That's only $25. How much is the gee whiz? $7. Smiley lunchbox. What? It doesn't have the thermos, but it's like $7. I kind of feel like can't go wrong with $7. I'll get that. And out of curiosity, how much is the cookie jar? $38. That's a really good price. And I love these anthropomorphic salt and pepper shakers. They're 2 peppers though, and they're $24. What in the world? Looks like we found a little nook of squeaks and oh my gosh, wait, the telephone? Stop it. Sold. That's amazing. And then that's so funny, $3. It's newer than I usually like them, but $3. That one's like really new. Yeah, that's like a dog toy. And this one, $5. I'll take that. This one looks way too new too, but no, actually, it's a happy corn. We'll take that. Oh my gosh, I need like a basket or something. All right, well, I found a basket. I also found this amazing head vase, and she's $30. Wow, she's fantastic. I'd say that's in pretty good condition too for that price and all, so I'm gonna go ahead and take her safely. Let me rearrange some of this stuff here. All right, back to Squeak Toyland. The lamb, $8. I'll take that. The little derpy donkey, he's cute. This guy, they're all fun, but I think I got the ones I really like so far. Now I'm like, which way do I look? Look at this one. This is a good one. $8. Lady, I'll take her. And then this lamb planter caught my eye. $5. Japan, little paint loss, but adorable. I'll take that for $5. And then this is also made in Japan. $12, not bad, but not my favorite. For $12, what about the Fenton? $25, not bad at all. The prices are pretty decent so far. Chalkware owls, $50. In the original box, I don't blame them. Look at this goofy little frog. That's so cute. Green frog sponge holder, $5. He's kind of fun. I'm kind of intrigued by this little vase back here. It's probably like a hobbyist piece. I like the glaze on that though. Nice case of glowy glass here. I like that one. That one's at $28. Oh, that's cool. Sugar bowl with tongs, $30. That's neat. Oh, I love these little dioramas. They're so different. That's a really cool one. Florida. They're kind of stressful to ship. Whoa, look at this. Bakelite stand. Well, I kind of feel like it, I'm not sure what I would do with it or what someone else would do with it. What is really what I mean. But it's also $3, so I'm just gonna get it. I don't know, maybe somebody can repurpose this into something. I see something. Watch, they're gonna be like not for sale. NFS, yep. The alabaster poodle bookends, those are so neat. I would have totally gotten those. Now, what do we have here? Tanala Mexican pottery can, $15. Well, we have to get that on principle. These are hard to find in cats, and I've never seen it in this size. So I'll take that. Oh my gosh, look at this guy. $6. That lion is sickly. We need him. It's a lion cat. Now over here, oh man, got a lot of good stuff over here. I love that. What is this? Pilgrim glass. 15. And the green is 125. That's a really good price, actually. At least I think so. What about this? 26. Little Blanco. 55, excuse me. That makes more sense. I love that Blanco decanter. That one's at 100. And yeah, this was the corner I saw from the window. And then jadeite. Cup and saucer, 14 bucks. That's a nice perfume bottle. Ooh. Fenton satin glass bunny rabbit. That's an older one too. 20 bucks. I think I'm actually gonna go ahead and pick that up. That's really pretty. Oh my gosh. Stop it right now. This is the best thing ever. Cat bell, $6.50. Well, we're gonna take that too. Got quite the pile going on. And it's funny because this is actually the vendor I was saying, I love this thing so much. Not for sale. This is the vendor I said that has those booths in at Old Factory that I like so much. So now I know they are here as well, which is good. Whoa, look at this owl. That's really crazy looking. Mahadro. I would not have guessed that. And then the Mosser. Oh, that's so pretty. 45 bucks though. All right, well, it looks like the wind is seriously picking up. That was fun. I spent $135 in there, found some really great stuff. Now I know that that vendor is over here as well, and I'm gonna call it, honestly. I don't feel like pushing myself too much farther. So I will see you guys later or tomorrow.